Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my nails from this to this. So without further ado, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get on to this video. So the first thing I do is I just prep my nails for a manicure. These are the tools that I use. I will make sure to put a list on the sidebar, and you could just pause and take a screenshot of anything you need. So the first thing I do is just get an alcohol wipe, and I just wipe my nails down just to get any dirt or debris out of the way for the manicure prep. And then I use this Sally Hansen cuticle remover all around my nails and let that sit for about 30 seconds. You can see on the cuticle pressure all the junk that's coming off of it, and it's super satisfying. Now I'm using this cuticle nipper, just getting any leftover stranglers that are left on my nail. Now I'm using a nail file, and I'm using the 180 grit nail file, and I'm just using that just to shape down the length of my nails. Now I'm using this hand brush just to brush away any dust. Now I'm using this nail drill bit, and I'm using it on almost the lowest setting because you do not need it this high. You just need it enough just so it could file down the surface so it's a little rough. And I am not a professional, as you can see. Now I'm just using this other file just to smooth down the edges, and using it again, another alcohol wipe just to wipe down the oils on my nails. Now that it's all prepped, I'm going to be using this D&D base gel, and you just want to use a very thin coat, not too thick. And then I'm going to start off with the first coat of this Kayaki Rose color. And you want to do it in small, smooth, slow strokes because you do not want to get the gel on your skin. So now I'm doing the second coat. Then put it back in the LED light, and I do it for 55 seconds each. Now last, I go in with the top coat gel, and this is a no cleanser, so you do not need to cleanse afterwards. And again, just with the thin coat is gonna do you good. And after that, put it in the light for another 55 seconds, and then you're done. So now I'm using some cuticle oil just so my cuticles could stay healthy and hydrated. And I just rub all around it, the edges, just so the oil could really seep in there. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment them down below.